Hello student, today in this video we'll be learning your trigonometric table, how to draw your trigonometric table. This is from chapter 8, that is your introduction to trigonometry. So I have just drawn roughly the table. I will be filling up all these values. So what I have done here, if you can look here, this is your trigonometric table. So what I have done here I have taken theta. We will be finding the trigonometric value at a particular angle. Particular angle means I have considered 0 degree, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. So I have considered this angle, the particular angle I have considered. And this side I have taken the ratio, that means the function. All those trigonometric function I have taken. Sine, cos, tan, cosine, cosine. Now how to draw this trigonometric table? So there are so many methods to draw this trigonometric table. So what is the easiest way? Because so many methods are there, so I want to give you the simplest way. So what you will be doing is that you just remember the first row. So what I will be doing is that here I will be writing 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So what I want you to do is that just remember the first row. That means 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Once you remember the first row, the entire row and columns can be filled up by using your first row. So what you will be doing is that just remember this value 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Once you remember the first row, now how to write down your second row? That means cos of 0 degree. Cos of 0 degree will be how much? What you will be doing is that this one, look here, this one you bring it here. This one you bring it here. So you got the value. This root 3 by 2 you bring it here. Root 3 by 2 you bring it here. This value you bring it here. This value you bring it here. And this value you bring it here. That means what I am doing here, in place of writing from left hand side to right hand side, I have written right hand side to left hand side. So I have written 1, then root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2, then 0. So I have got my cos theta. Now, what you will be doing next? Next, you see, you have to calculate your tan. What is tan of theta? What is the function tan theta? Tan theta we have done in my last class. What is your tan theta? From your quotient relation, what was your tan theta? It is sin theta by cos theta. So you do sin theta by cos theta. So you will be getting your tan theta. So 0 by 1 is 0. This by this is how much? It will be 1 by root over 3. This by this. You divide, okay? Sin theta by cos theta. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. How much you are going to get? You will be getting 1. Then again, this divided by this. You do. How much you will be getting? You will be getting root over 3. And finally, 1 divided by 0. 1 divided by 0 is not defined because the value is very, very large. So you can write it down as ND. ND means the value is not defined. So you have got your tan theta. So you have got your tan theta. Now we'll be going to the next cot theta. How to write down the values for your cot theta? Again, use the same pattern. This value you bring it here, so not defined. This value you bring it here, root 3. This value will be 1. This value you bring it here, 1 by root 3. And this value you bring it here, 0. So you have got your cot theta. Let me repeat one more time. This ND you bring it here, this root 3 you bring it here, 1 here, this here and this here. So you have got your cot theta. So next, let us go to sec theta. What you know, sec theta is the reciprocal of what? Reciprocal of cos. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal, I hope you understand. 1 divided by. So what is 1 divided by 1? It is 1. What is 1 divided by root 3 by 2? Just take the reciprocal. So it will become 2 by root over 3. Again, 1 divided by 1 by root 2. Take the reciprocal of this. It will become root over 2. Again, you take the reciprocal of this. It will become 2. Again, you take the reciprocal of this. What is the reciprocal of 0? It is 1 by 0. So what is 1 by 0? It is not defined. 1 by 0 is not defined. So you have got your sec theta. One more time, let me revise. Sec theta, how you will be finding? 1 by 1 is 1. Take the reciprocal of this, you got this. 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 I hope so, it is okay for you. Now finally the last row will be filling up. That is your cosec theta. How to find out your trigonometric table for your cosec. So what you will be doing, this NT you bring it here. This not defined you bring it here. This 2 you bring it here. This root 2 you bring it here. This one you bring it here. And this one you bring it here. So you have got your cosec theta. One more time. This NT you bring it here, this one you bring it here, this one you bring it here, this one you bring it here, and this one you bring it here. So this complete your trigonometric table. Now in this table, if I ask you to find out what is tan of 45 degree, how to use this table? How to use this table? Let me teach you. If I ask you to find out tan of 45, you see 45 degrees here, 45 degrees here, okay? So you go to this column, and tan is here. You go to this row. So when you see this one and this one, so what is the value of tan 45? It is 1. So what is the value of tan 45? It is 1. So in my next video, I will be solving the application of your trigonometric table. So what you will be doing is that you try to learn this table nicely. So just remember the first row. Just remember the first row. Once you know the first row, the entire table can be completed. Okay then, thank you. See you in the next video.